What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm out here on Lake Norman today. First time out on the Hobie Outback. Want to get out on the water and kind of run it through some trials and try to catch a few fish today as well. It was pretty cold this morning, so might be a tough bite. Probably gonna go fish some docks. The water is down out here and might be a tough day, but we're gonna try to figure out, probably throw a Ned rig and swim bait and stuff like that. But stay tuned, let's try to get a few in the boat. So one thing I will say about the Outback is it is pretty fast. You can get up to speeds pretty quick. Definitely a lot faster than my other boat, the Native Slayer Max. But so I gotta get used to this depth finder too. This is the first time I've used a Hummingbird. I gotta get used to all the screens and stuff, all the buttons, get used to how it all works. But yeah, roomy. This boat reminds me of my old compass that I had, my blue compass. Nice boat, and hopefully we'll get some slime in it today. Well, Jackie is on the board. Ten and a half.
Nice one.
Pretty decent. Oh, Ned Dizzy.
Huh?
Ned Dizzy. All right, guys. First fish of the day. Good old Lake Norman spotted bass. Old mean old 13-incher. Gonna let him go. Thank you for hopping in the Hobie today.
Ned rig.
Yeah, he's a... Oh. Hook set right in the eye.
Yeah.
What? Oh my goodness. Guys, how do you foul hook a bass? I've never did that before. Shh.
I got a bunch of loops done. I got to call him, and I'm gonna bring him those. Then I've only got 4 more of his left. And I'll continue painting those other ones. Now I'll start going like runs. Doing first.
might be a little bit better fish.
Huh?
Yeah, this is a pretty good one.
You got a fish?
Yeah, oh yeah. That's a little bit better one.
Not a 22.
Definitely not a 22. He smashed the Dizzy Diamond. Great pumpkin. All right, guys. 4th fish of the day. Pretty good one. Pretty good one. He wanted that Dizzy Diamond. That's all I've been talking about here lately is Dizzy Diamond, ain't it? You know why? Because they catch fish. Heck yeah.
Pretty good little bag, hasn't it?
I really like this hatch because, you know, while you're fishing, lift it up. I mean, you know, I got my wallet in here, I got my phone, I keep all my GoPro box in here. And that's just one thing I realize that I do miss having in my Slayer Max. Pretty cool. Love that thing. I'm actually starting to like this fish finder as well. Might be one of them things in the future where I upgrade to a Hummingbird maybe. We'll see though. Another thing I like about the mount for this fish finder right here is this is a Yak Attack mount. I don't know exactly the name of it, but it's cool because there's little teeth right there, and you push in the clip, and it's fully adjustable. Very easy to maneuver around, you know, out the way if you want it out of your way. Pretty cool. I also like that. All right, y'all, we're gonna get off the water. Fished for about, like I said, 5 hours. We caught 4. They were really, I think my biggest was 14 inches. Fun day though. Kind of really got to take the boat out today and really get a feel of the boat and see what I think about it. Because I do plan on using this boat a little bit next year in tournaments and stuff. I think for areas where like I need a little bit more speed and cover water, because I will say this boat is faster than my native Slayer Max. So definitely like it. Still got to do some rigging on it, kind of get it how I, you know, perfectly need it for being able to, you know, being out on the water. But that's it. I like it. The Hobie Outback. But guys, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. See you on the next adventure.